India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am all of it, rich and endless. As always, I do be happy of it. As I to my parents, teachers, and all elders, respect and treat everyone with courtesy. As I be kind to animals, to my country and my people, and pledge my devotion